Hi. To active VPN on your smartphone, first you need to download a VPN. For this, go to the Play Store app from your phone. Now type on the search field and type Browsec, then search. Now install this application by clicking here. And wait until the application download and install processing. It takes time as your internet speed. Once the application fully installed, then close the Play Store by pressing backspace of your phone. And go to the application you just downloaded now. Tap of this icon for open it. Wait for the processing this app. And click the Accept button. Close this screen by clicking here. Now you can click here for Change Country. Here first 3 countries free for lifetime. And also have more countries in premium version. You can try free for limited time. Now go back and tap this button to start VPN. Click OK. And wait for connecting VPN. Close this screen. Congratulations! You successfully activate VPN on mobile phone. Now you can access whatever you want. Thanks for watching.